Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, it's still quite sodden and we can't underseal when it's wet. So we're going to let this dry out on the ramp this morning. It's actually got dropped off on Saturday, but it's still wet. So there's a few areas that Jason's got to address, like here, as you can see, we've got some pretty good surface rust going on, so we're going to sort that out. Yeah, so this one's going to get fully undersealed when it's dry. So guys, if you're thinking about booking in for an underseal on any vehicle, we've got to have them dry. Ideally, you know, the only way we can guarantee that we're going to have no problems is to have the cars here for a day before and make sure that they're not going anywhere, they dry out. So, okay, here's the before shot. So I'll take some photographs that I'll show you afterwards. Yep. So no need to the torch to actually come on the camera, which is all right. So Jason's cleaning this up. Where have you got to then, Jason?
Oh, just cleaning up bits and bobs and
yeah,
it's a bit crusty.
Yeah, I can see where you've gone round. So what you're going to do? A K.
Yeah, once I've cleaned all the surface rust off, bit of K rust to
treat it before we seal it.
Yeah, bit of K rust, let that go off. Probably a bit of primer over it, and then underseal it. Good stuff.
Good stuff. That's looking good, Jason. Do you want to put some torch up there for me, brother? Yes, that's looking lovely, mate. Lovely. Yeah, boot floor looking lush. Well done. And there's, yeah, pièce de résistance. I don't know that in Japanese, so obviously. If you could point the torch at the bottom of the car, that'd be lovely. Dark hole of Calcutta, that, mate. What's wrong with your torch?
Right, Dad, mate, we use it all day.
There you go. Well, it is looking lovely. You can take my word for it. Yes.
I know a bit better.
Yeah, that is a bit better, yeah. He'll love that, Jason.
Good.
Good work.
Thanks, Dad.
You got it in your teeth.
I know, I love it.
Yummy.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Life moves pretty fast.